like to split all my firewood with my hydraulic wood splitter, but just trying to get enough for tonight and tomorrow. It doesn't take all that much wood. But I wanted to talk to you about something about splitting wood. This is a 6-pound splitting maul. Some people think you got to have a 12-pounder. But bigger isn't necessarily better. Yeah, there's a time for bigger. Most of the time I find a 6-pound is more than enough. You know, you don't even have to, I've seen people get back, take a wild, hard swing, and it just doesn't take much to split it on down. The secret is knowing when to split your wood. Dug fir like this here, when it's nice and dry, it pops real easy. It don't take much to split it at all. But on the other hand, if you're going to use hardwoods, you want to split them when they're green. If you try to split Doug fir when it's green, the fibers try to hold it together and it's just a pain in the butt. But when it's dry like this here, it pops pretty easy. Oak, on the other hand, you take green oak, it splits pretty easy. Of course, it depends on the size of the round. But when it's green, it splits really easy. But, yeah, I'll tell you what, I've tried splitting dried oak, and it was like seeing my splitting all into a piece of steel. Just bounced right off of it. Yeah. Got a little burr holding me up. But as you can see, this don't take much effort to split. When you're splitting firewood, try to work as smart as possible, save your back. Okay, that one there has a knot on the bottom, and it still pops pretty easy. There again, folks. That there concludes this episode of This Old Hillbilly. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Time for a beer.
Yeah, y'all come back now here. Now, if the women can't find you handy, or they can't find you good looking like me, just pray that they find you. And that's all I got to say about that. Y'all come back now, you hear?